All right, how we doing, YouTube? Welcome to Mark Lamont's Trading Academy. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to scalp and make some quick profits using Trader's Way. You can use any platform to trade like this. This is a quick scalper method. This is my strategy. Obviously, if you want to learn my strategy, you can get into my DM or you can write a comment and we'll get you on one of my Zoom sessions. For one-on-one sessions, I charge $50 per hour. All you need is about 2 to 3 sessions before you're trading on your own, scalping up and making a bunch of profits. So let's jump straight in. First things first, as soon as you go to Trader's Way web terminal, you're gonna be able to log into a demo account. So I'll just show you from scratch. You just go to Trader's Way web terminal, enter. You're gonna hit that first link, bang. You're gonna hit launch, bang. And it logs you into a demo account automatically. This one, I believe, is probably going to be like a $100,000 account. Doesn't matter how much the account is. We're going to be using some low lots just to show you that if you were trading on a $200 account or a $500 account, it wouldn't matter. We're going to be using 0.50 lot sizes, right? 0.5. So let's just enter that straight up. Right, we're going to set up these charts. So 0.5 is my lot size. I like to go ahead and put my RSI. So we're going to go ahead and go to options. Nope, sorry. We're going to go to insert. Go to indicators, go down to trend, nope, oscillators, go down to relative strength index. Bang, click OK. I'm gonna put some horizontals at my 70 and at my 30, just so I can see where that RSI line is at, because that's gonna help me determine when I'm gonna get in. All right, I'm also gonna add the alligator, so we're gonna go to insert, we're gonna go to indicators, and there you see an alligator, bang. You don't need to adjust any of those, just click enter, you're gonna see the alligator. Boom. We're looking at the 1 hour. The trend is up. It's been up pretty much all day for Euro USD. Big money. If you were in on Euro USD earlier today and you stayed in for the long run, you probably made some money. So what we're going to do is, obviously the hours got an uptrend, right? We can just put a trend line here. I like to put my trend line from like the lowest point up until the highest right there. Bang. Obviously, it's a pretty sharp uptrend. Bang. Right? So I'm expecting the market to go up. We know that's also true from our alligator. The green line is at the top. The market's pushing up. It's pushing up aggressively. So from here, I'm going to go ahead and go down to the smaller time intervals, right? 1 minute. I want to get in as low as I can get on that 1 minute so that the retracement will put me in some quick profits. Great thing is with this, it's only one-click trading. So let's go ahead and actually enable our one-click trading. We just click any button. We click accept and we click OK. So this looks like this has about a 10 or 11 pip spread, you know, between like 8 and 11. It's going to fluctuate. Anyways, doesn't really matter. We're going to wait for this RSI to get as low as it can get. And then I'm going to jump in so we can get that retracement on the way back up. So looks like it hit about, let's say that's about 47 and it pushes up. Right? It's got a history of going to about 40 and pushing back up. So we're actually going to get in on 1, 2, 3. Buys, right? And we're gonna let that run. Obviously, we're just waiting for this. We're waiting for this black line here, or actually, you can't see the black line, but the black price line here, 1.16390, that black highlighted line to get above our green horizontal dash lines, and then we'll be in profit. So we're just gonna let this run. We'll be in profit in no time. Our negative number is getting smaller and smaller. Before you know it, we're gonna be up some good money, and it'll be a good Friday. Right, I'm giving you guys this video because there's about an hour left before the market's closed, and I just want to show you that it doesn't matter how much time is left in the market. You can run up a tab, you can make some money in the market. It's just this simple. It's really this simple. There's nothing special about it. I jumped straight in the market at about 3 o'clock, right, and we're about to be in profit. And if I really wanted to run it up, I can get in on some more retracement. So watch this. Let the market pull back. 1, 2, 3. And now watch this. And we just chill, right? Obviously, I could have got in way more on that first retracement. Let me actually point to it right here. When this dropped down to its lowest point, I could have got in on all, 5 of those orders and then let it run up. But I just want to show you that as an aggressive scalper, you know, you can run up a big check in these markets. It's really, there's really nothing special to it. Ideally, I like to get in when the RSI hits 30 or 70, 30 or below or 70 or above. right? When the blue line, the RSI pushes above the 70, that means the market's overbought, and it's gonna, do some huge retracement to get back to market levels. As you can see here, let me just put a horizontal here. This is where there was a lot of resistance here. The market pushed, didn't break, drop, push, didn't break, drop, push, drop, right? So it did it a number of times. So the market's gonna come back to this same price line, which is why I got in right here. Because this is where the market was pretty stable at. It got to this point and either it pushed back down or it pushed back up. And as you can see here, we're in profit on 3 of our trades. We're just waiting for the rest of those to get in profit so that we're all the way in profit, right, on all of our trades. I'm gonna upload this video to YouTube for all my subscribers. I apologize to my subscribers. I haven't been around. I've been trading a whole bunch. I've been training people. As I told you guys before, I've been teaching people for $50 an hour. It was $25 an hour before before July 1st. But once July 1st came, it got to about $50 an hour. And then I believe December 31st, or actually no, January 1st is gonna be $100 an hour. So if you wanna train with me and you wanna get some education on how I scalp and how I make a shit ton of money, just go ahead and hit me in my comments, right? And send me your email or something like that, your number, whatever it is, WhatsApp. I'll get out to you. I'll reach out to you. We'll be able to get you on, between 1 to 5 sessions. I've had clients that they've learned it in 1 session. They've used the information from 1 session and they've applied that information. They've been able to make a big check. And then there have been other people, that 1 session where they just learn how to use MetaTrader 4 or Trader's Way. They learn about RSI trading. They learn about price action. They learn about the alligator. And then that second training, they learn about moving averages, right? They learn about, if they are in the academy, right, the IM Academy or something like that, they can learn about the harmonic scanner, right? There's a number of things you can learn, but some of the most basic things are going to be using the RSI, using price action, and using the alligator to help you figure out the direction of the market. So reach out to me. If you want that training, it's $50 an hour. We can work around your schedule. I'm a night hawk. I'm a morning bird, right? Whatever they call it, early bird. I work pretty much around the clock. So we can definitely put you on my schedule, on my Google Calendar. We'll set up a Zoom meeting, and we'll get you in a demo, running up a check, practicing my strategies, make sure that you master them so that before you go live or before you join some expensive academy and spend, 200 plus bucks up front and 150 bucks plus per month and still have no money in your actual real trading account, right? You actually come to me, get this cheap trading training, and you can spend anywhere between $50 and $200, depending on how many sessions you get, and you could have the skills mastered. Instead of spending $250 up front, $170 a month, it's going to add up. That's going to be a monthly bill. You're not going to want to be spending too much money and time, paying for stuff that's not directly contributing to you making money, right? Because with those academies, you pay for the information, right? They're not actually, right? They don't force you to do anything. So, if you don't use your time effectively to go ahead and study on your own and do the trading on your own, then you're not gonna progress, right? But if you're on a training with me, we're gonna be doing some live trading together. We're gonna be doing a bunch of stuff, right? You're gonna be learning. You're gonna be practicing. It's gonna be interactive. You're gonna be able to ask questions directly when you need feedback, right? You're not gonna be competing with a whole group of 50 to 100 to 500 to 1,000 people, right? Trying to get individualized attention. So we were already in profit. I like to just let this thing run. We're gonna look at the 5-minute, right? We've got some support here. The market's pushing up. There's a little bit of I wouldn't even call it resistance, just a little bit of stagnation here. But we'll let this run, right? We have until 4 o'clock. My goal is to make at least 50 bucks by 4 o'clock. At least 50 bucks, because that's $50 an hour. That just shows you that, hey, if you're making $10 an hour, right, you can make 5 times that if you just, come hop on one of my trainings with me, spend that 50 bucks, or however many times you hop on a training with me. And then before you know it, you'll be making your daily rate. Your hourly rate, like in seconds to minutes, right? You can make, you can make that hourly rate, in 5 minutes. You're gonna be getting paid $10 or $8 an hour, $7 an hour. You can make that really fast with Forex. You can make 5, 10 times that in an hour. so that, you know, throughout the week, you can decide to take a day off. Look at that. We're already at 24 bucks. Keep pushing. Right? We're 24.50 was halfway of our goal of 50 bucks for the hour. Right? We're going to make that in less than an hour. And some people might say, oh, well, you should have took your profits right there. Nah. I know I'm a scalper, but right, for this trade, right, I think about my time. Right? I've been in the trade for about 10 minutes. Right? I better get, you know, some pretty good profit for my time I put in. I better make some pretty good money. Right? We're at 19 bucks. Keep going. 21 bucks. Keep pushing, baby. Keep pushing. I want to see 50 bucks. Once we get to 50, I'll be happy. We're at 36.39. Keep going. Keep going. I want to hit 50. Right? We should hit 50 in no time. If I let this thing run all the way until all the way until 4, we'll probably hit like 200 bucks. Right? We hit 41. That was our max. Keep going. $46. We're almost there. I'm going to be ready to close these as soon as we hit 50. And our RSI is at 67. So by the time the RSI gets to about 70, 71, this thing should hit 50 and we should be good to go. 49 bucks. Keep going. Push up. Give me one. Oh, yeah, there we go. We're going to see our profit. Let's look at our profit. Let's look at our history. Bang, we made $50.50 in less than what? Less than 10 minutes? Where I'm going to save this video. It's going to upload to YouTube. You can make $50 in 10 minutes. Look at that.